So, good morning students. I, Ravi Yadav, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Sagar. Welcome you all in the 9th session of class 12 Chemistry chapter 1, that is solid state. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important conceptual concept, that is structure of simple ionic compound. Dear students, today we will see some of the simple ionic compounds, their structure and their coordination number. Unlike the pure elements, in case of ionic compound, the arrangement is little bit different. There we have cations as well as anions. So today we are going to discuss how cation and anions are arranged in the ionic compound. So dear students, this topic, structure of simple ionic compound, we will discuss in 2 sessions. Today we will discuss the ionic compound of type AB. AB type of ionic compound we are going to discuss today. That means the ratio of cation and ratio of anion will be in 1:1 ratio. I think understood. The ratio of cation and ratio of anion will be in which ratio? 1:1 ratio. So today we will discuss simple ionic compound of type AB, where the ratio of cation and ratio of anion will be 1:1 ratio. मतलब they will have what? Equal number of cation and equal number of anion. So dear students, under this AB type of ionic compound, today we will discuss NaCl type or NaCl type, or it is also called rock salt type. This will be our first structure. Then we will discuss cesium chloride type of AB ionic compound, and then we will discuss at last ZnS, zinc sulfide, or we can say zinc blende type. So dear students, today we will discuss one by one simple structure of simple ionic compound type 1. There are two types of simple ionic compound. This is type 1, AB type, where the ratio of cation and ratio of anion is 1:1 ratio. And this AB type will be studied under 3 categories: NaCl type, or we can say rock salt. Then we have CaCl type, cesium chloride type, and then we have our zinc sulfide or zinc blende type. So let's discuss the first type of simple ionic compound, that is NaCl type. Dear students, in the case of NaCl type, first thing is what? NaCl type ionic compounds have FCC type of arrangement. They will have what? FCC, or we can say CCP type, CCP arrangement. They have what? Arranged. In the case of NaCl type crystals, what you will see? They will have, first thing they will have what? FCC. FCC means what? Face centered cubic unit cell type, or we can say closed cubic unit cell type of arrangement there. So if you can see, observe here, you can see here, suppose if we consider the white ones as chloride, and we consider the blue ones, and if we consider the blue ones as what? Sodium ion, then you can observe very easily this chloride ion has what? Face-centered arrangement. Four corners of cube and in the face we are having chlorine atom. Four corners of cube and we are having in center chlorine atom. Four corners of cube and having what? Chlorine atom in its center. So it will have what? FCC type of arrangement. So first thing is what? NaCl type will have what? FCC. FCC type of arrangement where we can white dots here is shown representing chloride ion and the blue colored will represent what? Sodium ion. Now dear students, you see here where are chloride ion present? So just you have seen chloride ion kahan par hai? The chloride ions are at the corner and at the face. So chloride ion are where? They are at the corner and they are at the face. You can see chloride ions are where? They are at the corner and they are at the face. So how many corners we have? Corners we have 8 corners and each atom at the corner contributes how much? 1 by 8 of its part plus there are 6 faces. 6 faces contribute how much? The atom at 6 face. Atom at face contributes how much? Half of its part. So you can guess how many chloride ions are there in unit cell. One unit cell. So we will have our 1 plus 2 3 are 6. So we will have what? How many chloride ions? So we have 4 chloride ions. We have how many? 4 chloride ions. कहाँ कहाँ? Corners पर chloride ions है. So 8 corners into contribution 1 by 8 and they are at the face. So 6 faces contribution half by each atom. So we will get what? 3. So 1 plus 3 we have what? 4 chloride ion in the case of what? NaCl structure. Now let's see where are sodium. You can see this is what? This is H. This is what? This line is what? This is what? The H. So they are present at the H. Sodium are present where? They are present at the edge of unit cell. They are present at the edge of unit cell. Plus you can see here they are also present at the body center. Plus they are present at the body center. So we all know H atom. How many edges are there in cube? 12 edges. So 12 into the atom at H contributes how much? 1 by 4 of its part. 1 by 4 of its part. So what we can say? 12 edges will have 12 atoms. Each will contribute 1 by 4 plus body center. We will have 1 atom. Body center contributes how much? Whole 1 part. So how many sodium atom can expect? 4 3 are 12 plus 1 1 1. So we have again what we have? What? 4 sodium ions. So in the case of NaCl structure, what we find? Each unit cell have 4 chloride ion and 4 sodium ion. Now, dear students, what we can say? 4 chloride and 4 sodium, or we can say what? 4 formula unit of NaCl. Taken whole NaCl as a one unit, formula unit. So in case of what? One NaCl, sorry, in the case of unit cell of AB type, NaCl type, what we have? Each unit cell have what? 4 formula units. So we have how many formula units? 4 formula units. यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ गया? So let's have recap once again. What you see here in NaCl type structure, what we have? First of all, we have our FCC or CCP type of arrangement. where we can find what chlorides or negative ions. They are at the corner and they are at the face. समझ में आ गया? कॉर्नर पे बैठे हैं कौन? क्लोराइड. सो यू कैन सी कॉर्नर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 corners. Chloride has, there are 8 corners. We have chloride ions, and phase we have 6 atoms. So we can have first phase, second phase, third phase, fourth phase. This is fifth phase, and this is what? Sixth phase. Total of how many chloride ions? 4 chloride ions. What about Na? Where is Na plus ion? So Na plus ions are at the edge. How many edges you can see? Edges 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges we have. 12 edges, and we have what? One atom at the center. One atom at the center. So we have what? 12 edges. 12 edges, and we have what? Each edge contribute how much? 1/4 of its part, and one sodium is at the center. So it will contribute its whole part. So total sodium how much? 4. Now we can say in 1 unit cell we have 4 formula unit of NaCl. So now let's find the relationship between the radius of atom and edge length in the case of FCC or CCP type of ionic compound, NaCl type of ionic compound. What is the relationship between the edge length and the radius of atom? You see here, student, suppose if you consider this edge, this is what? This is chloride ion. What is this? This is what? Chloride ion. And what is this? This is what? Sodium ion at the edge. Now you see here, this is what? This is the radius of chlorine. This is what? This much portion is the radius of chlorine. This much portion is what? The radius of chlorine. Radius of chlorine. And this much portion is what? Double the radius of sodium. This much portion is radius of chlorine. This much portion is radius of chlorine, and this much is what? Double the radius of sodium. So here we have R of sodium, and R of sodium. So dear students, you can see the edge length. That is A for what? NaCl type of ionic compound. The edge length A for NaCl type ionic compound. What we have? It is equal to radius of anion. 2 into radius of what? Anion, plus we have radius of cation plus radius of cation. So we have 2 times what? Radius of what? Cation. So what we can say? We got a very important relationship. Edge is equals to 2 times what? Radius of anion plus radius of cation. So this you have to keep in mind. So what we have studied now till now, NaCl have FCC or CCP arrangement in which number of chloride ion is 4, number of sodium ion is 4. How 4? 8 corner plus 6 phase will give what? 4 chloride ion. Chloride ion are at 8 corner and 6 phases. And how sodium 4? 12 edges plus 1 body center will give what? 4 sodium ion and 4 chloride ion, or we can say 4 formula unit in 1 unit cell. Now what we have for FCC type ionic compound, what we have, the edge length is what? 2 times the sum of radius of cation and anion. This you have to keep in mind. दिस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ कम्स एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बच्चों हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? क्या कि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ सोडियम एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ क्लोराइड आयन इन केस ऑफ NaCl. NaCl में सोडियम कितने क्लोराइड से घिरा है और कितना क्लोराइड कितने सोडियम से घिरा है. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू हैव ए क्लोज लुक हियर. This blue color I already have told you what this blue color is. What this is what sodium ion, and this white color is what chloride ion. Blue color sodium ion and white color is chloride ion. Now see here students, if I consider this blue color chloride ion, है ना, तो what you see here, this chloride ion is attached directly to this white colored chloride ion, this white colored chloride ion, this white colored chloride ion, and this white colored chloride ion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see here, if I extend this line, बच्चों मैं इसको extend करूंगा तो यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? एक एटम होगा. And if I extend this line, बच्चों यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा? एक क्लोराइड होगा. So what you see here? In the case of NaCl, each sodium ion, बहुत ध्यान से देखो बच्चों, each sodium ion is surrounded by six chlorine atoms. 6 chlorine atoms. You can see here, each sodium ion is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chloride ions. है ना? 4 are in one plane and 2 are above and below the plane. है ना. 4 कहाँ पर होंगे? वो होंगे उसी के प्लेन पर, और 2 कहाँ होंगे? उसके ऊपर और नीचे. तो we can say the coordination number. We can say what? The coordination number. Coordination number of Na plus ion is how much? 6. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गई? Each sodium ion is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 दिख रहा है. इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो 5, इसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो 6. तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ सोडियम आयन हमारा 6. Now let's see कि how this chloride ion is surrounded by sodium. So you can see here, suppose if we take this one, suppose I take this one, this chloride ion. देखो बच्चों बहुत प्यार से देखो क्या कि it is surrounded by this chlorine, so this sodium 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 1, 2, this chloride ion is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is what? 5 and one more is left here. अगर मैं इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड करूं, if I extend this line, I will get here what? The 6th sodium. So what I can say? The chloride ion is surrounded by how much? The 4 sodium ion at one plane and 2 sodium ion above and below the plane. So we can say the coordination number, the coordination number of chloride ion in NaCl is how much? 6. तो एक सोडियम 6 क्लोरीन से घिरा है और हर क्लोराइड आयन 6 सोडियम से घिरा है. So what we can say? The coordination number of sodium is 6, chloride is 6. So therefore we can say NaCl type ionic compound have coordination number how much? 6:6 coordination number. 6:6 coordination number. Coordination number कितना होता है? NaCl टाइप बच्चों होता है 6:6. यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ गई? FCC arrangement, number of chloride ion 4, number of sodium ion 4, relationship between H length and radius will be what in case of ionic compound NaCl type? H length will be twice the sum of radius of cation and anion. And last thing is what? The coordination number of sodium and chloride is how much? Each sodium is surrounded by 6 chloride ions and each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions. Okay, now we will have द आइडिया कि कौन कौन से कंपाउंड NaCl जैसे होते हैं. So now students, we will discuss the examples of ionic compound which have what NaCl like structure. तो बहुत ही easy है बच्चों. All the alkali metals halide, NaCl, LiCl, NaBr, NaBr, then we have what? We have rubidium chloride, rubidium bromide. All these will have what? They have what? NaCl type structure. We have to keep in mind except what? Cesium. Except cesium. Cesium has what? What? Body centered structure. FCC structure नहीं होता. In the same way, what? Halide of silver. Halide of silver. All the silver Ag, Cl, Ag, Br, they will have what? The NaCl like structure except what? AgI. AgI को छोड़ करके बाकी का क्या होता है? बाकी का होता है what? NaCl type structure. And second group element, all the oxide and all the sulfide of second group element, they will have what? They will have NaCl type structure. Coordination number 1:6:6. And exception is what? Only barium sulfide. Now बच्चों बहुत ध्यान से एक concept को थोड़ा दिमाग में चिपकाएंगे. Let's try to have a small concept. In our previous lecture we have observed FCC में void कहाँ होते हैं? FCC में void कहाँ होते हैं बच्चों? In FCC we have what? Octahedral void. In FCC we have octahedral voids. कहाँ होते हैं? एक होता है edge में और कहाँ होता है? बॉडी सेंटर में. In our previous lecture हमने बात कर चुका है क्या कि in FCC octahedral void are at the edge and at the body center. अब देखो बच्चों, in the NaCl type structure इसको बोलते हैं rock salt type. इसको बोलते हैं क्या हम लोग? rock salt type. What we see here Na कहाँ पर है? एज में है. तो 12 एज में कौन ऑक्युपाई कर रखा है? सोडियम ने ऑक्युपाई कर रखा है जगह. और एक बॉडी सेंटर में भी सोडियम ने जगह ऑक्युपाई करके रखा है. तो व्हाट यू सी हियर, all the octahedral void are occupied by what? Sodium in case of what? NaCl. Now the edge one will contribute how much void? So what you see here, we are having 12 voids at the edge. Each void contributes how much? 1/4. So we are having what? 3 voids of the edge. 3 voids of the edge is occupied by Na, and we have bodies given. Body center we have sodium. So one body center will contribute whole one void. So we have what? One whole void of body center will be occupied by what? Sodium. तो ये चीज बहुत ध्यान से रखना है क्या? In case of an NaCl type structure, rock salt type structure, all the octahedral voids, 4 octahedral voids होते हैं. सिंपल सी बात है, जितने नंबर ऑफ यूनिट सेल्स होंगे, जितने नंबर ऑफ फार्मूला यूनिट होगा उतने ही क्या होंगे? ऑक्टहेड्रल वॉइड्स. तो फार्मूला यूनिट्स कितने हैं NaCl में? 1 यूनिट सेल में कितने हैं? आपस है 4. मैंने पढ़ाया. तो 4 octahedral voids होंगे. All the octahedral voids will be occupied by what? Sodium. So this was all about what? Structure of what? NaCl type compounds. So now students, we will discuss about the structure of second type of AB type of ionic compound, sympathetic compound, that is cesium chloride type. क्या बच्चों? In case of cesium chloride type, first thing is what? This yellow. This one is what? Cesium, and this one is what? Chloride. Suppose then you can see here, there are 4 atoms above and 4 atoms below, and this center atom is touching all these 4 and 4 heads. So this is what? In case of cesium chloride type ionic compound, what we have? We have BCC type of arrangement. So first thing we have to write down what cesium chloride has. What it has? BCC type of arrangement. Body centered cubic unit cell type of arrangement where cesium, one cesium is surrounded by 4 and 4 8 chloride ions. At body center we are having cesium, it is surrounded by what? 6 chloride ions. So it has got BCC type structure. Now where are chloride ions? Chloride ions are where? They are at the corner of unit cell. So they are at the corner, and we all know there are 8 corners in cube. So 8 corner into each attribute, how much? 1 by 8. So we will have 1 chloride, total 1 chloride in 1 unit cell of what? This unit cell. Then we have what? If you talk about cesium, cesium कहाँ पर है? At body center. At body center, and we all know one body center contributes its whole part to unit cell. So we can say we have one cesium ion and 1 chloride ion in 1 unit cell of BCC ionic compound. BCC type ionic compound. This thing we have to keep in mind. बच्चों बहुत ध्यान से इसका रखना है कि in BCC type of ionic compound what we have what? One positive ion and 1 negative ion makes what? In 1 unit cell we have 1 cation and 1 anion. So we can say one thing we have to keep in mind. We have one formula unit of CSCl per unit cell of BCC type body center type ionic compound. यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ गई बच्चों? या तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? Now और ध्यान से रखना है क्या? Z value for BCC, Z value for number of effective numbers of atom. तो यहाँ पर एटम को बोलेंगे नहीं, ये आयनिक कंपाउंड है, तो effective number of formula units in BCC type of ionic compound will be how much? 1. Z is equals to how much? 1. So when we are solving numerical problems of density formula, density is equals to what? Z into molecular mass into what? H length cube into Avogadro number. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर बहुत ध्यान रखना है, very important. When question is asked BCC type of ionic compound, the value of Z. In normal case, what we have? The BCC has number of atoms in 1 unit cell. How much? 2. Normal case में, अगर pure element है. For pure element of BCC type, that is the value कितना होगा बच्चों? 2 होगा. For pure element of BCC type, the value of Z will be how much? 2. लेकिन for BCC type ionic compound बहुत ध्यान से रखना है, the value of Z will be how much? The value of Z will be how much? 1. Each unit cell will have what? 1 formula unit. बहुत ध्यान से हमको ये याद रखना है. Now बच्चों, one more important thing. If you see here, each this cesium ion is surrounded by how many chloride ions? 4 at the above and 4 at the below. So we can say the coordination number number of cesium is how much 8. इन द सेम बच्चों कि अगर हम बात करते हैं किसकी सपोज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट क्लोराइड आयन, इसको देखो बच्चों क्लोराइड आयन, दिस इज वन यूनिट सेल। अगर हम आगे ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, एक और यूनिट सेल मिलेगा ऐसा कुछ, इसके ऊपर एक और यूनिट सेल मिलेगा ऐसा कुछ, इसके इस वाले के ऊपर मिलेगा क्या, एक और यूनिट सेल ऐसा। तो अगर हम बात करेंगे कि सीजियम इज अटैच्ड टू आर 4 क्लोराइड आयन, इसमें तो कोई डाउट है ही नहीं, और ऊपर और नीचे। हाउ दिस क्लोराइड आयन इज सराउंडेड बाय हाउ मेनी सीजियम। तो देखो पहले बच्चों ये एक यूनिट सेल में एक सीजियम अंदर है, इस बगल के यूनिट सेल में एक सीजियम बॉडी सेंटर में होगा, इसके ऊपर वाला यूनिट सेल है उसमें भी बॉडी सेंटर में क्या होगा, एक सीजियम होगा, और इसके ऊपर जो क्या है यूनिट सेल है उसमें भी क्या होगा, सीजियम इधर होगा। तो ये क्लोरीन जो है सराउंडेड है इससे बच्चों सराउंडेड बाय सीजियम। हाउ मच, 1 2 3 एंड 4 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर नहीं, फोर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर नहीं है क्लोराइड का। देखो बच्चों 1 2 3 4 ऐसे 4 कहां पर होंगे, यूनिट सेल इसके आगे होंगे, 4 यूनिट सेल इसके आगे भी होंगे। तो वी विल हैव व्हाट, इस तरफ के जो 4 यूनिट सेल और होंगे वो भी कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे क्या, 4 व्हाट सीजियम। तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर जो होगा इसका क्लोराइड कितना होगा, उसका भी कितना होगा, 8 होगा। ये बात समझ आ रही है यहाँ पर, 1 2 3 4 यूनिट सेल में 4 बॉडी सेंटर में सीजियम है, ऐसे 4 इसके बगल में और होंगे, तो 4 और 4 8 बॉडी सेंटर ये सीजियम क्लोरीन को घेरेंगे। तो द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हियर विल बी हाउ मच, द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ क्लोराइड आयन इज आल्सो हाउ मच, 8। एंड लास्ट व्हाट वी कैन से क्या, at last what we can say CSCl type ionic compound have coordination number what, 8:2 is the coordination number of what CS and Cl. Understood student? Let's see some examples of सीजियम टाइप बॉडी सेंटर टाइप आयनिक कंपाउंड। तो सीजियम क्लोराइड तो एक वन है, उसके अलावा क्या हो सकता है, उसके अलावा हमारे पास सीजियम ब्रोमाइड, सीजियम आयोडाइड, सीजियम साइनाइड, जैसे एक और होता है हमारे पास थैलियम ब्रोमाइड, थैलियम आयोडाइड, थैलियम साइनाइड। आर सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी सेंटर्ड आयनिक कंपाउंड। Now dear students, let's see the structure of third type of simple ionic compound of AB type. That is what zinc sulfide or zinc blend type of ionic compound. What is the structure? प्यारे बच्चों ध्यान देंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर सबसे पहले क्या कि zinc blend और ZNS type they will have CCP. Or we can say FCC type of arrangement. So what you see here, zinc blend has FCC type of arrangement. FCC मतलब face centered. So we can see here in the diagram, this represents what a simple cubic unit cell. अगर हम सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल में ऐड कर दें, क्या ऐड कर दें हम लोग, फेस पर एटम्स ऐड कर दें। तो आई एम एडिंग एटम्स एट द फेस, फर्स्ट फेस, सेकेंड फेस, थर्ड फेस, फोर्थ फेस, फ्रंट फेस एंड बैक फेस। सो फ्रंट फेस एंड दिस वन इज व्हाट, बैक फेस। सो व्हाट यू सी हियर कि वी आर हैविंग जिंक सल्फाइड इज व्हाट, क्यूबिकल क्रॉस पैकिंग टाइप या एफसीसी टाइप। एफसीसी में क्या होता है, एटम्स यहाँ पर होते हैं, एटम्स आर एट द 8 कॉर्नर्स एंड एट द 6 फेस। नाउ व्हाट यू सी हियर, थोड़ा विजुअलाइज करिए बच्चों, व्हाट यू सी हियर कि दिस येलो रिप्रेजेंट्स व्हाट सल्फाइड आयन. सो सल्फाइड आयन कहां पर है तो बच्चों sulfide ions are at the corner and sulfide ions are at the face. So in case of ZNS, sulfide ions are where they are at 8 corner plus they are at 6 face. Now corner atom contributes how much? 1 by 8 of its part, and face atom contributes 1 by 2 of its part. So we can say number of sulfide in the case of zinc sulfide is how much? 1 plus 3. How much? 4 sulfide ion are in the zinc sulfide. What type of ionic compound? 4 negative ions will be there in the unit cell. Now comes, where is zinc ion? जिंक आयन कहां पर है? तो प्यारे बच्चों, इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में हम पढ़ चुके हैं क्या कि इन ए क्यूब व्हाट यू सी हियर, बहुत ध्यान से बच्चों को रिकॉल करेंगे. इन द केस ऑफ क्यूब व्हाट वी हैव, इन द केस ऑफ क्यूब वी हैव व्हाट, हाउ मेनी क्यूब डायगोनल्स? वी हैव 4 क्यूब डायगोनल. यू कैन सी हियर 1 क्यूब डायगोनल, second cube diagonal, third cube diagonal, and we have the fourth cube diagonal. First one यहाँ से यहाँ तक, second one यहाँ से यहाँ तक, third one यहाँ से यहाँ तक, और fourth one यहाँ से. So there are, in a cube there are 4 body diagonals. Now you see here students, बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे हम लोग कि in the case of zinc sulfide, इससे पहले हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं क्या कि दिस वन 1 2 3 फेस एटम, 1 2 3 फेस एटम, 1 फेस एटम, सेकंड फेस एटम, थर्ड फेस एटम एंड 1 कॉर्नर. 3 फेस एटम एंड कॉर्नर व्हेन दे कम क्लोजर, 3 फेस एटम एंड 1 कॉर्नर एटम कम क्लोजर, इनके बीच में बनता है क्या? एक वॉइड, है ना. 1 2 3 एटम के बीच में जब हम रखते हैं 4th एटम, तो एक वॉइड बनता है. इसको कौन सा पार्ट बोलते हैं? टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. सो 3 फेस एटम एंड 1 कॉर्नर हैव व्हाट? टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. इस टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड में बच्चों, इस टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड में रहता है कौन? जिंक. I think understood? तो जिंक कहाँ पर रहता है बच्चों? जिंक इज प्रेजेंट इन द टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. जिंक कहाँ पर है? जिंक इज इन द टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. तो हम देख सकते हैं क्या कि यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ सल्फाइड कितने हैं? नंबर ऑफ सल्फाइड हमारे पास हैं कितने? 4. तो फॉर 4 वी शुड हैव 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. अगर 4 एटम हैं, एफसीसी में 4 एटम होते हैं, तो देयर मस्ट बी डबल नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. तो टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड कितने होने चाहिए? 8. अब हमने क्या बोला? टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड में कौन है? जिंक. तो क्या जिंक 8 है? नहीं. 8 जिंक, 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड तो हैं, लेकिन 8 जिंक नहीं है. यही हमको ध्यान रखना है बच्चों. क्या कि जिंक विल बी प्रेजेंट इन टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड बट alternate tetrahedral word. Zinc will be present in how much? In what? In alternate tetrahedral word. तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पर क्या है कि this, suppose this is your one body diagonal. One body diagonal has 2 tetrahedral voids. One body diagonal has how many? 2 tetrahedral voids. So 4 body diagonals. 1 2. One body diagonal have 2 tetrahedral void. One body diagonal have 2 tetrahedral void. One body diagonal have 2 tetrahedral voids, and one body diagonal have 2 tetrahedral voids. So we are having 8 tetrahedral void. But बच्चों यहाँ पे कहानी क्या है कि हमारे पास alternate tetrahedral void will have zinc. तो alternate मतलब एक छोड़ करके. So we have what? We have 4 alternate tetrahedral void into zinc will be inside the body center, so it will contribute its whole part. So we have 4 zinc atom, 4 zinc ion in the unit cell. एक टेट्राहेड्रल, एक क्यूबिक, एक बॉल्ड है एक्टिव डायगोनल में 2 टेट्राहेड्रल बॉल्ड होते हैं. एक भर गया तो ये वाला भरेगा नहीं. नाउ वी हैव द सेकंड वन. अगर हम एक लाइन यहाँ से ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वी विल हैव 2 tetrahedral void. ये वाला void भरेगा नहीं. We can have 2 tetrahedral void here also, है ना. तो what you can say here, ये वाला tetrahedral void नहीं भरेगा, ये वाला भरेगा. कैसे भरेगा? 1 2 3 फेस आइटम. tetrahedral void कैसे बनता है? तो बताओ कैसे बनता है? कैसे बनता है? 1 corner atom plus 3 face atom forms what? Tetrahedral void. तो यहाँ पर देखेंगे face atom, 3 face atom and 1 corner atom, they will have one tetrahedral void. तो one dimer has 2 tetrahedral voids, लेकिन एक भरेगा दूसरा खाली रहेगा. Second one we will have what? Second one also will have one tetrahedral void will be filled by the zinc, अंदर वन नहीं भरेगा. ऐसे हम सकता है क्या? अगर हम यहाँ से यहाँ लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे क्या, यहाँ पर जिंक होगा, यहाँ पर जिंक नहीं होगा. इस तरह से when we join this and this, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? जिंक होगा, यहाँ पर जिंक नहीं होगा. So we can say क्या, we have to keep this in mind क्या, जिंक सल्फाइड has FCC type of arrangement, जहाँ पर सल्फाइड कहाँ पर है? सल्फाइड कॉर्नर में है और फेस में है. टोटल सल्फाइड कितने होंगे हमारे पास? 4. जिंक कहाँ पर है? जिंक वॉइड में है. कहाँ पर है? वॉइड में. कौन से वॉइड में? टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड. टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड यहाँ पर कितने होंगे? 8 होंगे. एफसीसी में नंबर ऑफ एटम्स कितने होते हैं? 4. तो वॉइड कितने होंगे? 8. वॉइड कहाँ पर होते हैं? वॉइड आर देयर इन द क्यूब डायग्राम. बट व्हाट यू सी हियर, यहाँ पर कहानी क्या है कि alternate tetrahedral void will be filled. So 8 tetrahedral void है, उसमें केवल 4 भरेंगे. जिंक भरेगा, ये वाला नहीं भरेगा, ये भरेगा. इसमें ये भरेगा, वो नहीं भरेगा. इसमें ये भरेगा, वो नहीं भरेगा. यहाँ से अगर ये भर गया, ये भर गया, ये वाला नहीं भरेगा. So we have what? 4 zinc ion and 4 sulfide ions. So now you can say a coordination number. The coordination number of what? The coordination number of the ZnS type compound, the zinc sulfide compound is how much? 4:4. Coordination number is how much? 4:4. Each zinc surrounded by 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 atom. In the same way, one sulfide ion is surrounded by what? 4 zinc. So dear students, after learning all this, now we are ready with some of the questions that have been asked in previous years competitive exam. So I have taken one question that we have recently discussed in this lecture. JEE 2015, one question was asked: which of the following FCC structure, FCC is also called CCB structure, have cation in alternate tetrahedral void? अभी पढ़े थे, याद आया तुमको? alternate tetrahedral void contains cation. किसमें होता होगा बच्चों? अभी पढ़ा हमने. आंसर will be what? zinc sulfide. So now let's discuss the second question that I have taken from AIEEE 2010. Question was asked: the edge length of FCC unit cell of ionic compound is 108 picometer. So edge length, that is A, has value how much? 508 picometer. Radius of cation is how much? The radius of cation is how much? 110 picometer. The radius of anion is how much? तो प्यारे बच्चों, अभी हमने पढ़ा आज क्या कि in the case of FCC unit cell having ionic compound, having FCC unit ionic compound having FCC type of unit cell, the relationship between edge and the radius is what? अभी पढ़ा हम लोगों ने क्या? Edge is equals to 2 times radius of cation plus radius of anion. So edge length is given how much? 508. 508 is equals to 2 into radius of cation is how much? 110 plus radius of anion we have to calculate. So what will 508 divided by 2? How many we get? 254. 508 250. 254 is equals to 110 minus radius of plus radius of anion. So radius of anion will be what? 254 minus 110 will be what? 144 into. So your answer will be what? 444 into meter. Then, so now we are having third question that has been asked in IIT 1995 advanced level question. So that cesium bromide has BCC structure. You all know BCC structure. The length of one side is how much? 4.3 Armstrong. The minimum distance between the cesium and bromide ion is. Options are given here. So dear students, for solving this question you see here, in the case of BCC, suppose this is your cation, cesium ion, this is what your chloride ion, and this is your chloride ion. So what would be the minimum distance is what? The closest distance. The closest distance will be what? यहाँ से यहाँ तक की दूरी को बोलेंगे तो क्या? The closest distance. माइंड ये एटम और ये एटम आपको टच नहीं कर रहा है आपस में, वो दूर है. टच कौन कर रहे हैं? बॉडी सेंटर एटम और जो कॉर्नर्स पर है. तो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच? द रेडियस ऑफ what? Anion plus radius of cation. Okay? Minimum distance. ये पसंद में आ गई. Now you see here, in our previous classes we have discussed, in our previous lecture we have discussed that the value of body diagonal of a cube of side A, the value of this what? Body diagonal, body of a cube, इसका वैल्यू कितना होता है? √3a. In our previous classes we have discussed the value of body diagonal is how much? √3a. अब यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस क्या कहलाएगा? From here to here it will be called what? Body diagonal. यहाँ तक का वैल्यू कितना है? r plus r. तो यहाँ तक का वैल्यू कितना होगा? Again r plus r. So what we are having? 2 times the radius of cation plus radius of anion. 2 times. It is cation plus anion. Radius of cation plus anion. 2 times is what? Is the body diagonal. So 2 times the cation and anion sum will be equal to what? Body diagonal. Body diagonal. 2 times radius of cation plus anion. This is what? This is the radius of cation plus anion. What? This is the minimum distance. This is the minimum distance. 2 times the minimum distance is equals to what? Body diagonal. Body diagonal has the value √3a. √3a. A is the edge length. A is what? A is the edge length. So now minimum distance will be what? Minimum distance will be how much? Between cesium and chloride will be how much? √3 into a by 2. So √3 how much? 1.73 into a कितना है? 4.3 upon 2. So the approx answer will be coming how much? The approx answer will be how much? 3.72 Armstrong. This is approx answer. So the option B is the correct answer. So now dear students, let's take the last question of today's lecture. Here I have taken this question from IIT 1999 advanced level question it was asked. It was a question of multiple correct answer type question was there. So very carefully you have to read the options and then you have to give answer. Which of the following statement is or are correct? इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है या कितने स्टेटमेंट सही है? करेक्ट. So coordination number in each type of ion in cesium chloride. In cesium chloride अगर हमने पढ़ा, it has what? BCC structure. So for BCC structure we all know coordination number is 8. So our first option, this option is correct. Now let's see the next one. A metal crystallizes in BCC structure have coordination number 12. इसको एक बार 8, एक बार 12. कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर BCC में कितना होता है? 8 होता है, 12 नहीं होता. So this option is what? Not correct. Then we have unit cell of an ionic compound share some of its ion with the other unit cell. It is true or not? एक यूनिट सेल के कुछ आयन्स दूसरे यूनिट सेल से शेयर होते कि नहीं होते? होते हैं. अगर फेस सेंटर्ड में बैठा है तो क्या होगा? आधा इस यूनिट सेल को मिलेगा, आधा दूसरे यूनिट को मिलेगा. तो इट इज सेड. So this option is also correct. Yes, some ions will be shared by other unit cell. Now comes the fourth option. Let's check the length of unit cell of NaCl. I have told you NaCl is what? It is FCC type ionic compound. FCC type what? Ionic compound. The length of unit cell of NaCl is 552 picometer. It is correct or not? बोला है कि जो लेंथ ऑफ यूनिट सेल मतलब ए का जो वैल्यू है, 52 पिकोमीटर है कि नहीं, वो चेक करो. तो अभी हम लोग पढ़ा बच्चों कि FCC टाइप आयनिक कंपाउंड में क्या होता है? इन केस ऑफ FCC टाइप आयनिक कंपाउंड H लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स रेडियस ऑफ द डायन प्लस रेडियस ऑफ एनायन. A is equal to 2 times radius of the diamond. Radius of the diamond is given how much? 95 plus radius of anion is given how much? 181. So A is equal to 2 times we have 2 how much we will get? We will get 516 276 into 2. 276 into 2 we will get double of it 552. So yes, the edge length A of NaCl, which is FCC type, is 552. So this is also correct. So we have in this question 3 options are correct. A, B and D are correct. So this is how, dear students, we have completed a topic, that is what? Structure of simple ionic compound. See, in the case of CBSE board, we don't have to draw the structure. It is not in the syllabus, but sometimes question can be asked. In density formula it can be asked. NaCl type structure, rock salt type structure, cesium chloride type structure. Then in that case we have to know how many formula unit it has. In case of FCC ionic compound, the formula unit मतलब Z के वैल्यू कितना है? 4 है. In the case of BCC, ध्यान रखना है बच्चों, in case of BCC ionic compound Z का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 नहीं होगा, कितना होगा? 1. Now प्यारे बच्चों, ऐसे ही अच्छे से पढ़ते रहिए and focus on your future. Bye.